Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another products I've used up empties sort of video. I love filming these. I feel like they're the most helpful in terms of product reviews because you've actually gone through it and you'll see if I'm going to repurchase or not. So lots of products in here. I'm just gonna pull them at random and show you what I got. So this first thing I already used up. I have this on Amazon subscription because I use it all the time. I love this stuff. It's the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. It's a good cleansing oil, good price. I love it. It doesn't break me out. I love it. I did just get a brand new one in the mail yesterday, but I have been using the, what is it called? The LMS cleansing balm, which I really love. So I'll probably switch off between using that and the other one, but overall this is just great for melting off sunscreen, makeup, eye makeup. It doesn't irritate my contacts, so I love this stuff. All right, this next product, you guys know, I've probably repurchased this like 3 or 4 times. It's the Elsa MD Skincare, their facial sunscreen. This is an SPF 46. I love this stuff. This, I would say, really good for drier skin. I don't use a moisturizer underneath this, or I feel like it doesn't actually soak into my skin, but I love it. It does have a little bit of a tint to it. They have a plain one as well. It doesn't give you like anything. It just kind of like blurs some things, but I love this. This is one of my favorite facial sunscreens of all time. I will repurchase this, but currently what I'm using is the Tula mineral sunscreen, and I love that as well. I love that I can layer that. This I can't really layer, so I'll use this if I'm just going to the gym, like, because you have to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or so, or else it loses its like effectiveness. So I like this, but I feel like the Tula layers better for like if I'm going to the gym and then going for a walk. But both are amazing sunscreens if you're looking for a good facial sunscreen. I'll link this down below, but I'll also link my Tula. I do have a 15% off code. Again, that doesn't affect whether I like it or not. Honestly, I just like a good facial sunscreen, and I know they're hard to find, so those two are my current favorites. This is a random, but I do feel like it's important, and sleep is obviously insanely important. I love incorporating melatonin into my routine at night. This is just the 5 milligrams. I had this left over from when after I gave birth, but still like needed some sleep, but didn't want to like be like knocked out where like I couldn't, you know, tend to Arlo. So this was the 5 milligrams. They're just dissolve under your tongue. If you're having issues with like just getting to sleep, or for me it's shutting off my brain, it's not staying asleep, it's like getting to sleep, and I feel like this, whether it's a placebo, it's in here still, oh, just the little like oxygen thing, but overall this is really good. And I mean, obviously beauty sleep, right? Important. This guy right here, this is the Summer Friday CC Me Serum. I got this in my FabFitFun box. I really liked this serum. It was not sticky, it was really nice. I would repurchase this. Currently I'm using the Tula triple vitamin C serum, so I'm gonna go through that, see my thoughts on that. I feel like vitamin C just takes a while for your skin to actually see the results of skincare, and that's like that with everything. With skincare, you have to give it time to see the effects. You can obviously immediately tell if your skin doesn't like it, whether it breaks out or you get rash or whatever, but to see like actual long-term results, I feel like you need to even use more than 1 bottle depending on how much is in the bottle. But overall, I felt like this just brightened, illuminated, and just, I really enjoyed the feeling of this, the consistency of it, and the effects of it just overall kind of making my skin look more glowy. So definitely do recommend that. I love Summer Fridays products. I've tried their masks before, really good. But yeah, that was the first time that I had tried that serum, and I think it's a winner. More skincare, this Lancome Genifique eye cream. I do really like this. I don't know if I'll repurchase it right away, to be honest with you, because I like my Kiehl's one a lot as well. They did reformulate it, so I'm curious to know, or the packaging different. I don't know if they've reformulated it, so I'm curious to know if it's like different. The Genifique, I think, is definitely targeted more for like really anti-aging properties, and for me right now, I'm still, even though I'm in my 30s, I'm still focusing on just really hydration under the under eyes, because I think that's the biggest thing. But obviously And eye cream is super important. So I would say if you have more aging, mature skin, this one is really good, but I love my Kiehl's one currently that I'm using. Olaplex number 3, I've gone through, I can't even count how many bottles of this. This one's seen better days. This is a product you put on before you shower. So you dampen your hair and you put it on. I just put it on from the ends down, and it is a bond repair like treatment. So it's not like a deep conditioning mask. It like legitimately just makes your hair feel like stronger, and it's amazing. I don't use it very often. I don't find that I need it as much as I used to, but if you're processing your hair quite a bit, like dyeing it and all that, bleaching it, you'll need it more than, you know, more than I do. I probably use it maybe once a month. It says 2 to 3 times per week. I don't even wash my hair that much. But if you're really struggling with, you know, damage, breakage, all that, try this guy out. I really do love it. I'm using right now, I already have a backup of this. Like, yes, already have a backup, but I'm using currently right now and trying out the LV by L'Oreal. Elvive maybe? I don't know what it is, but it's the Miracle Water, 8-second Miracle Water, and I'm feeling like it's similar concept, but I still feel like this, if you're like really needing some deep repair, your hair is just like bad, give this a go. Give it a go. I swear you'll love it. More hair, purple shampoo. This one, I already repurchased a giant size of it. It's probably one of my favorite purple shampoo and conditioners I've ever purchased. I prefer the conditioner over the shampoo if you're gonna get just one or the other. I don't feel like I need a ton of toning, so I just go with the conditioner because I have shampoos I like better, and I feel like shampoo can almost, like purple shampoo kind of dries out your hair a little bit, but this stuff's amazing. You get it at Target. The giant thing is only $20. Seriously, if you have blonde hair, try it out. It's amazing. It smells really nice too, so cannot go wrong with that guy. Another hair product, I used this up. This was like in my like travel set or whatever. This is the Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo. Then this is the repair one. I know some, like when I used to work for Sephora, people are like die-hard like Moroccan oil hair care products, and they smell amazing. I just don't know if I notice like a huge difference. I prefer Olaplex over Moroccan oil, but I know people who are Moroccan oil girls are like die-hard Moroccan oil girls, but I prefer the Olaplex number 4 shampoo over the moisture repair from Moroccan oil. But it was still a really good one, so if you're looking and you see it, like I wouldn't say it's a bad one. It's just not one that I would repurchase again. All right, we've got a ton of skincare. 3 masks. Whoa, 3 masks. Okay, first one is this Origins Hello Calm. I have never found a moisturizing mask that I love more than this. I used to use the Glam Glow one, which I like, but I still love this one even more. This is their cannabis sativa, whatever, seed, but it's just so hydrating. You can leave this on overnight if you want, but it's green, so I don't. But I layer it on super, super thick, let it sit, and then towel, like with a damp washcloth, kind of wipe it down. I don't rinse everything off. You can leave it on, but this is so good. So hydrating, so calming. I love the smell of it. But overall, I think Origin makes amazing masks at a very affordable price. Honestly, this thing will last you freaking forever. And I'm pretty sure Origins is clean beauty as well. So I mean, that's always a plus. Another mask, which is completely different, is the Cora Organics. This is, what's her name? I can't think of her name. It's a celebrities line, but they sell it at Sephora, and I loved this one. I was between this one and a Volition one, but I went with this one. This is their Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. This stuff is good. It's a physical and chemical exfoliator all in one. It's pricey, don't get me wrong, but this has lasted me so long. I don't use it all that often. I really only use masks when I'm feeling like I need them. I don't use one every week just because. I kind of go on what my skin needs. So if I feel like my skin just looks dull, I don't use this on breakouts, but I use it if my skin just feels dull. I need some exfoliation, but I also want some brightening. I will put this on. Oh, Miranda Kerr. That's who it is. You put this on damp skin, let it sit dry a little bit, and then rub water and massage it off. So there is chemical exfoliators in here as well, which is why you only leave it on for a small period of time. And then the physical exfoliator is obviously, there's like little exfoliators in it. It looks like baby poo. It's gross. It looks real gross, but it's good. Good stuff. It smells just natural, kind of minty almost. It does have like a minty sort of tingle to it. I will repurchase this probably from the Sephora sale. But yeah, it's brightening and it's exfoliating, so I love it. It's a two-in-one. This guy has been a staple in my life for ever. Like, I don't even know. I can never be without one of these, so I will be picking these up. I typically pick these up around Christmas time because they always do like a gift set, and I pick them up because they normally like don't all sell out, and they'll do like 30% off on after the holidays. So keep that, be on the lookout for that. But this is the Glam Glow Super Mud. If I am breaking out, if I am feeling congested, I've never found a better detoxifying mask ever, like no matter what. I've tried so many different ones. This one is just one that is just an OG. I like a mask that if I'm feeling congested and I have a lot of breakouts, I want it to dry down and suck everything out of my pores. And I'll put a hydrating mask on afterwards, but I need it to like pull everything out. I don't like a detoxifying mask that doesn't actually dry down and like suck stuff out. This, I can put it on my nose and I see the oil spots where it's like sucked the oil out of my pores. Like this stuff, I don't care. I will never stop using this. I love it. So a little bit goes a long way. I use a brush to apply it. And I don't typically, now that my skin is much more balanced, I don't put it all over my skin. I just put it wherever I feel like I need it. I tend, because I wear a hat when I go for a walk, tend to get some congestion right up here, and then definitely on my nose and my chin. I get congestion, but not as much as what I used to get. But this stuff is just a great spot treatment. It's a great all over mask. It's my favorite mask of all time. If you've not tried it and you have acne prone, congested skin, give it a go. Facial cream, I've talked about this a million times, you guys know. I actually intended to give this to Scott and then I took it back and I've been in love with it. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Repair Ultra Facial Cream. I have more of this already, so I'm not gonna be or I don't need to repurchase it right now, but I like this. I feel like it's a very good, it pairs well under makeup. It's thick enough to put on as a night moisturizer. I just think overall, I underestimated the amazingness of this guy. I love Kiehl skincare, I always have, but I've never like tried this. So yeah, it's great. It's balanced, it's hydrating, but not over hydrating because it doesn't like pill up under makeup. It's just overall, if you're looking for just one moisturizer to do it all, I would give this one a go. I really do love it. And Kiehl's is always doing some sort of promotions, and I'm pretty sure Sephora is having their sale really, really soon. So I've got two makeup products. The first one is L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is good, you guys. I had no idea how much I've been missing out on. It's just completely dried out. I've already bought another one. Already have it on right now. So good. I did a mascara showdown with this and fell back in love with it and haven't stopped using it since then. I don't wear this if I'm gonna be like outside all day because it does kind of smear on me. I don't care though, because I'd rather go like that than have to rub like heck to get off waterproof mascara. Some might disagree with me, but that's just my stance. So if I'm going to be outside all day and I don't want any smudging, but I don't want waterproof mascara, I use the Rocket by Maybelline, and that one's amazing. So the next product is my Tarte Shape Tape. It's so good. I've used it since, oh my gosh, I don't even know, since probably 5-6 years now. I have not changed concealers. I've tried other concealers, you guys. I've tried them all. I used to work for Sephora, get so many of them. None of them work like this. Some just dry out my under eyes. Some just don't like look crepey. Some don't cover enough. This just does it all. I am in 34 medium sand. I picked up medium N, but whatever. This stuff is just good. If you haven't tried it, check it out. I always restock. I have two because I just restocked on the recent Tarte sale. It's just that good that I always have to have backup on it. So yes, used up one of those finally. They take forever to use up, which is good because they're not the cheapest concealer. If you are looking for a drugstore concealer, I haven't tried this one in forever, but the Maybelline Fit Me, I used to use that one and I liked that one, but Tarte has just taken the game for me and it's so good. Used up a Sunless Tanner. I've been addicted to Sunless Tanner this summer more than normal because the older I get, the less and less I want to be out in the sun because I realize how damaging it is for my face specifically, but all over. And this one's just my favorite. You can get this online, Amazon, their website, Ulta, anywhere. 2 Hour Express, just the original dark is my favorite. The ultra dark can be just too much sometimes unless I'm already have a really good tan, but this stuff's just good. Goes on really nice, smooth, easy, and lasts for a while for me. It doesn't patch off like a lot of other Sunless Tanners do. So love that guy. Already have another one, already using it. It's a staple. So that is all of my, those are all of my products that I've used up Empties video this month. So if you want to keep seeing videos like this, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. I think these videos are super helpful to watch because you truly do see if people, you know, are repurchasing it. You can see every Empties video, like what I have and what I've used up and what I repurchased. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.